In this video, we are going to learn the various equations, various forms of equation of a line. You have already learned this type of equation. Now this is your coordinate plane. So coordinate plane में we have x-axis and y-axis. So this is my x-axis and this is my y-axis. So x-axis की क्या equation होती है? All of you know that x-axis पे क्या होता है? Y is equal to 0 होता है. And if you have to draw any line which is parallel to x-axis, maybe this is a line which is passing through 2, so the line will be y is equal to 2. This is a line which is passing through y is equal to 4, then the equation is y is equal to 4. Now let us see this equation. So suppose if this position, this point is minus k, 0 comma minus k actually, then the line की equation क्या होगी? Y is equal to minus k. So any line which is parallel to x-axis is given by y is equal to k. If you want to write it in concise, then y is equal to k is a line which is parallel to x-axis. और x-axis की equation क्या होती है? x-axis की equation होती है y is equal to 0. Similarly, let us write down the equation for y-axis. So this is my coordinate plane, x-axis and y-axis. Now if I have to write equation of y-axis, then y-axis के लिए equation होती है x is equal to 0. Because y-axis पे क्या 0 होता है? x 0 होता है. Suppose this point is 2, तो इस line की equation which is parallel to y-axis क्या हो जाएगी? This point is 2. So 2 comma 0 actually. Then this equation will be x is equal to 2. Suppose अगर हम यहाँ पे लिखते हैं x is equal to 10 comma 0, then the equation here line जो ये बनेगी इसकी equation क्या होगी? That will be x is equal to 10. Suppose if I make something here, then it will be x is equal to minus k. If I make anything arbitrary here, this will be x is equal to k. So x is equal to k is a line which is parallel to y-axis, and x is equal to 0 is the equation of y-axis. So anything which you wish to write parallel to y-axis can be written as x is equal to k, be it positive or negative. Now what if a line is something like this? Then how do I write the equations? That we have to understand. So the first form of line which we should know is one point form. So one point form का मतलब हमें एक ही point पता है, एक ही point पता है. So point का मतलब हो गया passing through point, मतलब वो line कहाँ से pass कर रही है. So supposingly you have this line and this line is passing through point x1 y1. Then the equation of this line, how to write the equation of this line जो किसी भी point suppose x1 y1 से pass कर रही है. तो सबसे पहले हमें उस line का slope पता होना चाहिए. Slope कैसे पता चलता है? Slope हमें पता चलता है ऐसे. What is the angle which this line is making with the positive direction of x-axis in anti-clockwise direction? So actually इस line का slope हम लिख सकते हैं tan theta, और tan theta को अगर हम define करते हैं तो हमें पता है हम इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं? m. So how do you write equation of a line in one point form? So equation of a line is y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. वहाँ पर x and y क्या हैं? जो हमारे लाइंस के वेरिएबल होते हैं वही हैं. x1 y1 क्या है? पासिंग थ्रू पॉइंट, मतलब वो लाइन कहाँ से पास कर रही है. अगर 2,3 से पास कर रही है तो उसकी इक्वेशन क्या होगी? सपोज इफ़ आई राइट दिस एज 2,3, तो इक्वेशन होगी y minus 3 is equal to m x minus 3. Now how will I come to know which equation is this? Because 2,3 से कितनी equations पास कर सकती हैं? Infinite lines can pass through 2,3. Now how will I define कि मेरी वाली line कौन सी है? I will define by the value of m. अगर m की वैल्यू 1 है तो इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन क्या होगी? अगर m की वैल्यू 2 है तो इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन क्या होगी? So if they wish you to write any line in one point form, they need to mention passing through point as well as slope. Suppose they give you that value of m is half, then equation will be y minus 3 is equal to half into x minus 3. So this is how you write equation of a line in one point form. हमें एक point पता है, उस line का slope पता है, then I can write the equation of the line in one point form. So passing through point क्या है? 2,3, मतलब वो line कहाँ से pass कर रही है. और m क्या होता है, m होता है स्लोप, मतलब उस लाइन का x एक्सिस के साथ में क्या एंगल बन रहा है उसका आप tan फाइंड आउट करो और उससे हमें क्या मिल जाएगा, स्लोप मिल जाएगा. Now there is another way to find out equation of line and that is called 2-point form. Now what does this 2-point form suggest? Suppose you have a line, हमने एक पहले कार्टेशियन कोऑर्डिनेट बनाया, उसके बाद में हमने एक लाइन बना दी. अब हमने कहा कि ये लाइन 2 पॉइंट से पास कर रही है. पहला पॉइंट है x1 y1, दूसरा पॉइंट है x2 y2 and you have to find out the equation of this line. So how will you find out equation of this line? So equation of this line is given by y minus y1, ऐसे ही हमने 1 पॉइंट फॉर्म में लिखा था, इज इक्वल टू यहाँ पे क्या लिखा था m और यहाँ क्या लिखा था x minus x1. And you already know that the formula for slope is given by difference of y coordinates upon में difference of x coordinates. Fine. So हम directly यहाँ से बता सकते हैं कि what will be the 2-point form. So 2-point form is actually come from 1-point form only. And you have to put in the value of the slope which is difference of y coordinates upon difference of x coordinates. So suppose हम कहते हैं कि एक point है, this point is suppose 5,1 और ये point जो है वो suppose है 2,-2. Okay. Find out the equation of this line. So what will you do? You will substitute the values. Y minus y1. So y minus 1 is equal to difference of y coordinates minus 2 minus 1. So it is minus 3 upon x2 minus x1. So 2 minus 5. 2 minus 5 क्या होता है? Minus 3 upon x minus x1. x1 कितना दिया है हमने? x1 हमने दिया है 5. So that makes it 1. So y minus 1 is equal to x minus 5. So what will be the equation? The equation will be x minus x minus y minus 4 is equal to 0. So this is how you are supposed to find out equation in case we are given 2 points. And now if they ask you to find out slope, slope क्या होगा? m is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, which you have already found here, and the slope comes out to be 1 only. So this is how you can get the equation in 2-point form. And there is a very useful link in the description box wherein you can play around and find out the equations by changing the passing through point. Must go and visit that link.